course, as you know, Rocky Rocky is the first place we're opening one of these offices. So today we're going down from here, we're going to Ba town, then we're going to Latoka, then we're going to Singatoka, all in one day. And we're opening similar offices like this in those town centers. Walesi, as most of you do know, is that Walesi is about providing free-to-air television to all Fijians. There's 8 channels at the moment that you can tap into. And of course all you need is simply a television, and you need what you call the box, the set-top box. Government has over the past number of years through the budget has made available the set-top boxes for free for all those people who earn less than $30,000 a year. So you can fill out the form, you simply get the set-top box, you connect it to your TV and you switch it on, and you get your 8 television stations which you can watch. This of course includes the channels by FBC, by Fiji One, by MyTV, and of course we've got a religious-based channel, and then we have also the parliamentary channel. In future, of course, we'll be adding more channels as Walesi does do that work. Throughout Fiji also, Walesi is now, you can get it on your phones. You can actually watch Walesi, you download the app. We have close to over 300,000, 400,000 people who've downloaded the app. So, you know, if you are traveling in the bus and there's internet connection, you've got your data on it, you can watch the rugby game on it. You don't have to sit down in home to watch the rugby game itself. Any program you want to watch. So maybe you're traveling home, you want to watch the news, you download it, you have the app, you watch it on your phone. We have over 400,000 Fijians who have actually downloaded it. We also then have over close to about 150,000 people who now have the set-top boxes throughout Fiji. Those set-top boxes are made available. Just very quickly, for those of you who may not know this, with television, you'll find that people who, the way you get connected to television is that you have all the towers you may see up on the hills. You have one tower there, you have another tower over here, so they talk to each other, and that's how they convey the signal. Now there are certain places in Fiji, of course, the remote islands, you cannot go and put the tower there, but there are certain villages or areas or farms, etc., that may be outside the range. So now we have actually satellite connectivity for that also. So a lot more people can get connectivity both through satellite and terrestrial means. This, of course, is to provide service to the people of Ra. Anybody that has any issues with Walesi, they can come and get info on Walesi. Boxes will be made available over here. So that's what we're here for. And I urge you, those of you who do not have a Walesi set-top box, please get it. If you earn less than $30,000 a year, you'll get it for free. Those of you who earn more than $30,000 a year, it's available in various places like courts and other department stores. I understand $80 retail for that. So it's not that expensive. But like I said, those below a particular income level, they can actually get that box for free. Okay? So please make use of it. Those who are here, please go and tell other people who do not have the Walesi set-top box that they can get it. And of course they can enjoy that. Naka, thank you.
Excellent. Thank you. Naka. Thank you.